It's Jenny! And
Julie.
And
Gabe. Gabe on Instagram. Gabe 2018 with a 0 at the end.
all right, today I'm going to do a look on my beautiful niece.
This look.
Ooh, it's gonna be pretty. So first, we're starting in this one because that's where the
Yeah.
no, we're not.
No, it says you start with
Wait,
the
hold on.
black.
Okay, first we're starting in this one. First, we're gonna do a crease color.
Yeah.
So we're going to use Snap. 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 We are. Okay. I don't think I need to tap this one off. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So first we're putting Snap in the crease. You hear the clock ticking?
Yep.
It's so mesmerizing. And then we're going to go in with, we're going to do the black last. We're going to go in with
The pink.
the purple.
Oh yeah, like because that's like the middle of it.
We're going to take, oh, I should probably show you the color. We're going to take Uproar, this pretty purple.
I picked it out myself, guys. Picked out the colors. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, we don't want that all over your face.
Yeah, no.
Next time, if you hear banging and talking in the distance, people are in the basement.
Yes, the twins.
The twins. Who look nothing like twins.
Nope. One's a doctor, one does technical stuff. Right? Is that what
Yep.
I'm going after?
I think so.
Oh,
I know he works on computers.
We know Nate's a doctor.
Yep, we know Nate's a doctor. All you hear is muffled talking.
Because they have like masks over them.
And they're in the basement.
And they're in the basement. So it kind of sounds a little weird. Oh, that's all pretty. Hello?
Oh, by the way, I'm taking Flirt from the Aphrodite palette. So good at this. I'm a professional.
Oh, and this look she got from her last video.
Oh, yeah. Wow, I totally didn't even... Yes, if you're wondering about this look, it was in my last video with Camron, Danger, and Bella. So go check that out.
Yes. Then come back here and finish watching me.
Or you could check it out after you're done watching this one.
Yeah. That's another option to say. Gabe was like, don't even try and smile like you did in the last video. I was like, we were having fun in the last video.
Why can't you smile?
I don't know. I'm like, okay.
Smiling means you're happy.
No. Cameron, stop moving.
We can hear you moving.
We'll have to see you. We can hear you.
Whoop whoop. Now we're going to go into
What?
Heartbreak, which is the black color.
Cameron, stop moving. I can see in the camera. And Bella texted me the lawnmower laughing faces.
Is that a lawnmower? I thought it was like Grandpa Mike's tractor or
I think
something.
it's out there, probably.
Oh yeah, it's tractor.
Oh, you're supposed to act like a ghost. The tractor. Yeah, it is a tractor. She's trying not to talk, so she keeps texting me. That's why if you ever hear a buzz, it's my Blaze, my Fitbit. I say Blaze, but
you-
then like...
Your Fitbit thingy, that vibrates?
Yeah, it vibrates whenever I have like a notification.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. So like if I need like more steps or something like that, it'll vibrate. And if someone texts me, it connects to my phone. So if someone texts me, it goes on there and everything like that. Sometimes I say it's my Blaze, and then people are like, what? I'm like, my Fitbit. They're like, oh.
I always wondered what those things were called.
Yeah, the Blaze Fitbit, guys. She's got more makeup down there, so if you see her looking down
Yeah, I got it.
she's got a lot of brushes and more makeup.
There it is. Some eyeliner. This is in the color caviar. You don't want gold on it though. From My Beautiful Look.
Cameron, we can hear you.
If it's hot, you're gonna have to come out of there because I don't need you like
We don't want you-
suffocating.
Yeah.
Can you breathe? Okay, great.
Thanks for talking.
Good answer. I was talking to you, kid. Can you breathe?
Oh, he sounds like a goblin.
Sounds grumpy. Grumpy.
What?
I was trying to get your views, like there was a ghost in the background.
Oh.
Oh, I don't think anybody would buy that because it doesn't look like a ghostly blanket.
Yeah.
It's like a fluffy, warm blanket.
It is.
And now mascara.
Took off all my makeup when they were doing that look on you. So I was on the phone with my boyfriend. He was like, why are you taking off all your makeup and everything like that? He was like, your mascara looks so good. He was like, why do you have to ruin it? I was like, because she's gonna do a look on me. He was like, oh, can you redo it whenever she's done? I was like, yeah, maybe.
Wop, wop, wop.
Cameron.
Strike a pose.
Bella's up there, guys, by the way.
Can't say we don't know how to have fun because we do.
I'm just trying to hide myself.
Yeah, they tried to hide themselves, so it's like
I
they're
have a
not in the
pillow
video.
fortress.
What just happened?
my charger fell.
That's what it was. I don't know why I just closed my eyes.
Because you're used to closing your eyes because I've been doing your eyes.
Probably.
Careful, you're gonna fall and hit your head. I'm gonna have to take you to the hospital except I can't because I'm in a car. Well, we might not have to. Uncle needs a doctor. Wow. Blonde moment. I have a lot of those.
I might as well just show my face at this point. Me too.
Beautiful.
Hi, guys.
If you guys were wondering, I did on Aunt Jackie's look. I did the eyeshadow and the mascara. And I did. He did the lipstick and eyeliner. And what's it called?
The brown.
The
eyeliner.
eyeliner. The crease color. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah!
I'm a YouTuber. Subscribe.
Oh, Lord, child. So that is today's crazy video with the
With
two special guests that pop up in the back.
Come here, Cameron. Come sit on me. Sit on my lap.
Come here, going up there.
Now you're going up there? Don't touch my hair.
And
me
what was
money.
I talking about?
About
Look at this.
subscribing.
Oh, yes. She was so good at this. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.
To Cameron.
Not to Cameron, everyone.
To me.
Yeah, to
Subscribe
her.
to me as well.
We probably
Oh, my
all four of us have YouTube channels. So
I don't have a YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Why does nobody tell me these things?
What is it called?
It's called Julie Len. Go subscribe.
And now I gotta go subscribe. So, hit the bell to become part of the
Nation! The Cameron Nation!
And don't
There is no
forget to
combination.
come back for future videos.
Yes, please do. She's the best.
Yay.
I'm
Yeah.
the best.
I will see you next time in the next video.
Bye.